So that is on curiosity. The next one is deep desire. So you're looking at the viral elements that you should use to make your videos go viral. We looked at curiosity, now we're looking at deep desire, which is our number 9. So how do you do deep desire? Now this is amazing because a lot of people use this, even magazines use this. So how do you use a deep desire? Talk about people's biggest goals. Talk about people's biggest goals. Not something they just kind of want to achieve, but something they deeply and secretly admire in other people. A good example is when you see a nice USV or a Ferrari race down the street and then you make a comment about it. Secretly, you probably admire that car and you want to have that car. Deep desire comes in right there. We probably want that car. Now, another one is when you see supermodels on TV, catwalking on the walkways with amazing bodies. Obviously, if you're a lady, you probably also want to have that body. Also seeing people or couples walking on the beaches barefoot, holding hands, and then you make a comment about it. It means secretly or deeply you kind of admire. And these things are in all of us, guys. Let's not try to think that we are different. We all want to have a good relationship. We all want to have a good body, and we all want to make some little money so that our lives are more comfortable. When talking about deep desire, you want to hit on those things that people secretly admire and wish they had. So here is an example, and this is a very good example of magazines that have used these things all through. Magazines and newspapers use deep desire all the time to grab your attention. So let's look at an example of here, guys. This is the cover page of King magazine. I think this is probably a 2013 edition. And on the front page of this King magazine is Kim Kardashian. Now, of course, Kim Kardashian is a huge household name. But regardless, still, there's a deep, huge desire right here on this magazine. For men, obviously, men will want to have this kind of lady besides them. Now, for women, obviously, they also want to have this kind of body. It's an amazing body, of course, by any societal standards. I don't know what you say. Do you think that Kim has a good body by any societal standards? If you agree, please say yes in the comment section. If you don't agree, say no. There are other people who look better. But anyway, you get the point here. The point is a hit on those secret deep desire that people have. People want to have this good, amazing body and be in the front of these amazing magazines. And these magazines have done this over and over again for hundreds of years. They've used deep desire, which is our subconscious part of our brain, to get our attention and buy their magazines. Here's another example of Men Health, guys, that I don't know which edition was this, but from this cover alone, I'll buy this magazine. Would you buy this magazine? I'll buy this magazine. Why? I even don't know what these people, but I'm sure I'll probably buy this magazine because this magazine is really getting my attention right now. If I see it on the supermarket as I'm walking away, even if I don't buy it, I'll probably have a look at it because the pictures on this magazine are telling a lot. They're really trying to grab my attention and grab my mind to them. Because look at this picture, guys. It's Men's Health, and there is a supermodel right there who are hugging with another probably supermodel man on this front of the magazine. The man is spewing testosterone and the lady is just beautiful. Of course, they are wearing shorts and they just look lovely on this picture, which makes any person want to grab this magazine and buy. In addition to that, besides this amazing couple on this Men's Health magazine, the title and the wordings are chosen specifically. Now, these magazines are very good at this. They choose their wordings and titles very keenly, and those words that pack some emotions that when people see, they want to grab the magazine. First thing that I see there is burn fat fast, which is, hey guys, a lot of people are struggling with weight loss, and if they can have something that can help them to burn their fat fast, I'm sure everybody will grab onto that. The next word that captured my attention here, I'm not going to mention the first word, but the next one is seduction. Now, I don't want to mention it because YouTube might flag that word on this channel. So the other word is seduction. There, of course, grabs somebody's attention right there. Now, guys, I hope you're getting the point on how to use deep desire to grab the attention of your potential viewers on YouTube. Let's go ahead and see some thumbnails that people have used before on YouTube. Here is a thumbnail that did so well in terms of deep desire. And the thumbnail and the title says, "The once in a lifetime opportunity to build wealth is coming." Now, for this title, of course, first there is what we call timeliness in this title, which you're going to check timeliness in the next couple of slides. But we're talking about deep desire. There's a huge desire here. The desire here is what? Wealth. Again, the three pillars of life: wealth, health, relationship, and love. Now, this is talking about wealth because the person who did this thumbnail build this title knows very well that a lot of people are struggling with finances and they want to increase their income. And if you talk about a coming opportunity, a lifetime opportunity actually to build wealth that is coming, I'll highly probably click on that video because, hey guys, I want to make more money. I want to make more back so that my life becomes easier. So the once in a lifetime opportunity to build wealth is coming. Good thing about this title is he has talked about the fact that this thing is coming. It is not with us already, so you're not left out. It means anybody will click on this. Why? Because we all want to be the first people to take advantage of an opportunity that is coming or that presents itself in the near future. We all understand that the first people in every opportunity are always the biggest winners. So this person has a huge promise here, and my hope is that he has delivered on this promise in the video. But regardless, so this video got 227,000 views in only 2 weeks. Now, so why this video worked? This video worked because number one, there is deep desire here, desire to build wealth. Of course, we talked about that. Then there is timeliness. Remember, this person did not say the once in a lifetime opportunity to build wealth is coming in the next 2 weeks. No, he said it is coming, not in the next 2 weeks or next month. It is coming. Then there is epicness. Epicness, we're also going to look at this in the next few slides. Epicness is about lifetime opportunity. So that's an epic thing. It is coming. And then there's curiosity, of course, huge curiosity right here in terms of building wealth that is coming. What is this that is coming in terms of building wealth? We all want to know that. All right, so I gave this a 9.5 out of 10. I know that you agree with me because I think this video did so well, which means the thumbnail was highly clickable. All right, so guys, we're moving along here, and in terms of deep desire here, there's also another amazing thumbnail that I came across right here, and this thumbnail was talking about how to bulk up fast as a skinny guy, my complete guide. Because there's a before and after picture of this person, which is just amazing. It's always awesome to have before and after picture. In the before picture, you're seeing there he's skinny, he's trying to lift some weights, and then the after picture right there, he's now muscle up, he's strong, he's built, he's even more confident on himself. So this thumbnail just is so well. Like, this is probably another amazing thumbnail that if you are thinking of doing things in and around working out or any other thing, before and after pictures work so well. That is contrast right there. So use before and after pictures. On the thumbnail again, besides the before and after picture of this person, which is a huge contrast and build a deep desire for most men. If you ask me, most men want to build some muscle. And there's so many skinny men in this world who want to build some muscle. He has added also some terms there, say how I got bigger. Of course, again, the words are in bold. A lot of skinny men want to get bigger, and not just get bigger, but muscle up big. That's what they want, which is called bulking up. The title complements the thumbnail so well because now in the title it says how to bulk up fast as a skinny guy, and then it says my complete guide. My complete guide. It means that from this video is telling you you're going to get the complete guide on how to bulk up as a skinny guy. Now the good thing again about this title is he has targeted skinny men. So he's very specific in his targeting. He's not targeting everybody, but I'm sure even so many men who are not skinny watch this because there are so many men who want to bulk up just for the sake of bulking up. Now, of course, from this thumbnail alone, without even looking at the video, you can just tell that this video did well. And look at that, it got 1.7 million views in only 2 months. That is just super amazing in terms of the views that this video got. Okay, so how do we use deep desire examples? Let's look at some example very fast before we look at the next element to use in your thumbnails and title. And here's an example, guys, that came to my mind is how to change your love life in 3 weeks. Numbers and time frame. We're going to look at that in the next few slides. So he has used a number here in time frame, 3 weeks. This person is telling you he's going to show you how to change your love life in 3 weeks. Probably this video is like 10 minutes long, but it's promising you that in 3 weeks is going to change your entire love life. A lot of deep desire here in terms of love. Again, the 3 pillars of life: health, wealth, relationship, and love. There is of course timeline here. There's the use of numbers here, and then love life. So next, let's look at another example. What's another example of a title that somebody can use? How to lose stubborn belly fat fast. Really, without even saying anything, we know that there's so many people outside here struggling with their belly fat. Unfortunately, for most human beings, most of our excess food or excess calories will always be stored in our midsection or our abdomen. And that's why a lot of us always have a bigger midsection or abdomen. Why? Because most of the calories are stored there. And because of that, we know that doesn't look nice on most of us. Thanks to Hollywood superstars who are always having a flat tummy. We all want to have those flat tummy and six-pack. Belly fat is something a lot of people are struggling with. And if I can get a 10-minute video or a 15-minute video on how to lose my stubborn belly fat fast, I'll run and watch that video very fast because I want to lose my belly fat very fast. And that is the promise here, is promising you're going to lose your belly fat. Not just lose it, but lose it fast, which most human beings want. It brings me to another important point, guys. When you're showing these titles and thumbnails, please be cognizant of the time frame you're giving people. People don't want to lose belly fat in 1 year or 5 years. People don't want to get wealthy in 10 years. People don't want to be in love in 2 years. People want these things fast. How can I lose my belly fat in the next 1 month? How can I get the girl of my dreams in the next 6 weeks? How can I be wealthy in the next 3 months? That's what people want. Especially young adults, they don't want to waste time to get some of these things. As much as we know that is almost a fallacy, that you can't lose belly fat in 1 week or 2 days. But of course, try and also be as rational and logical with a time frame as possible. Don't tell people how to lose belly fat in 6 hours. Now that will be too huge of a promise, which you know you won't keep. Let's move along here, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Again, so here is another title: start doing this and never be poor or broke again. So I'm giving you very good examples of titles you can use in your thumbnails and your title section on your video. And please be cognizant again of the words I'm using on my title. This one says start doing this. So curiosity right there. Start doing this. He doesn't show you what it is. He doesn't tell you what it is, at least not in the title, but start doing this and never be poor or broke again. So never is a good word to use onto your titles and thumbnails. This person is promising you that if you do this thing that is going to show you in this particular video, you'll never be poor and broke again. We know a lot of our friends and family members are struggling with paying their credit card bills. They're struggling with meeting their financial obligations. But this title is telling you, if you watch this video and do this, you'll never be poor and broke again. A lot of people are going to click on that video and watch. Again, please make sure that you keep your promise, or you keep your promise in the video. Another title here is how to build confidence fast as an anxious adult. Anxiety is a lot of things that a lot of people are struggling with. Now, from this title, guys, and from the ones you've checked before, you can see that most of these titles are dealing with things that human beings, me and you, are struggling on a daily basis. Anxiety, belly fat, health, wealth, relationship, love. They're things that we're struggling with on a daily basis. So how to build confidence fast as an anxious adult is another title right there. And then another one is how to buy your first duplex as a first-time real estate investor. So I'm sure you know of a real estate investor who wants to buy his first duplex or his first house. And this is a title that is going to go down so well with some of these people. All right. Hello, friends. I hope you have enjoyed that. You have just watched few of the viral video elements that will make your video go viral. And if you have enjoyed that, then click right here to enjoy the full and edited version of the 10 viral video elements that will make your video go viral on YouTube. It's all about increasing your click-through rate and getting millions of views. So click right here and enjoy the full version of the viral video elements.